What's up, everyone? Day 19 of opening a Pokemon pack. Today we have a Japanese Team Rocket pack, so hopefully we can post something good. Pack feels pretty heavy, so let's try to get something good. Here we go. Day 19. Here we go. Let me cut this one more time. Didn't cut fully. Give me a second here. Alright, here we go. Let's get something good. First card, we have this. Not sure what this one's called, but let me know in the comments if you know. Pretty cool though. Next up, we have a Mankey. Pretty sure it's called. Pretty cool. Then we have a Team Rocket Growth. Or Meowth, rather. Pretty cool. Then we have a Team Rocket Ghastly. Or actually, this is called Muck, I'm pretty sure. Pretty cool though. And then we have a Hollow Grydor. Pretty cool. That'll do it for that pack.